Yes, welcome back. We stopped at creating an account using Google Classroom. So today, let's say the teacher has sent you the class code, or the people responsible, they have sent you the class code. We said you come to the plus sign just down here, and then you enter the class code. Let's say the teacher sent me this class code. I write it in this section, and then I'm going to click on join class just up there. When I do that, I'll see my class. If it is maybe a mathematics class, I'll see here mathematics class, where I see sample class just for demonstration. Yes, so when you want to go back to see other classes, in case you have other classes, just press there and then go to classes. You'll see other classes. The same procedure, if they send you another class code for another class, you just click on the plus sign and enter the class code, then join in order to have the class activated. So when you open a class, for example, like this, we have what we call the stream, the classwork, and people. So under the stream, this is like a communication page, whereby if a teacher has any communication, maybe an assignment has been sent, yes, you will be seeing it via that they have sent an assignment, or you have to do this via the stream. When you go to classwork, this is where the teacher sends the assignments, the materials, like the notes that the student is supposed to read while at home. And then under people, the student will be able to see the teachers and also his classmates just right here. So let's say, how does the stream appear? Let me just show an example. Just send a message to the sample class. I can say, as you can see, you will see this communication just right here. So if the teacher sends notes, for example, where do you find the notes? Yes, when the teacher sends notes, as you can see, automatically it is updated via the stream. So you go to classwork, and then you'll see that the teacher has sent some notes under maybe a specific topic, for example. Yes, the topics will be arranged, the notes will be put under their specific topics, as you can. So to see it, just click on the notes like that, open click or tap on the notes, and then it will open for you, depending of course on the speed of your internet. So as you can see, my notes is now open. All I need to do is maybe get my notebook and write these notes down. Yes, of course these notes will be sent after the teacher has taught the specific class. Yes, and the other thing is, let's say the teacher maybe has sent an assignment. Okay, let's say the teacher sent an assignment. You see the icon for assignment is different from the icon of notes. This is how the assignment looks like. So when you open your assignment using your mobile phone, just move this arrow up in order to see your work. It will come with your name, and then you open it. Just click here to open to see your assignment. So in order to write in your assignment, you have to press, because you have Google Docs already installed, you're going to press this box with the arrow, and then automatically it will open for you your assignment. So in order to edit your assignment, just click on this blue icon down here with a pencil, and then start typing where they have given you the space. Let's say a smart machine, for instance. And then you mention the types of the computers that you know. Let's say supercomputer, maybe mainframe computer, like that. Then don't forget to click on this blue icon with a tick. Click on it to save your work. So now your work is saved. The next thing is to just go back to your classroom here. Then just press the back button. Just be sure that you have written your answer and saved it, and then turn in. This is this turn in button. Click on it. then you submit your assignment to the teacher. The teacher will be able to see your work. As you can see that the work has been submitted, so the teacher will mark you, and the teacher will also send you the gradings according to how you have performed. So this is how we do the assignment. Simple assignments. I'll also show you how to do mathematical assignments. If you cannot type, there are other options, like you can write in your books and then send the picture. I will show you that in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for following, and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you again in the next tutorial.